Hey there, it's Kelly. I'm back. I want to introduce you to my friend Salvia. It's summertime, and this is such a fun flower to include in your flower arrangements and in your garden. Summertime into fall. This one likes butterflies too. I like all the plants that like butterflies. It's also one that after I cut it, it will keep coming back and blooming. So this is a repeat bloomer. Whenever you're cutting flowers that you want to have come on again, pay attention. You go down to the branch and you cut at these intersecting points so that more flowers can develop and come out. It'll create a little bit of a bushier plant at the end. But anyway, this is Salvia, nice tall stem, about 24 inches tall. The plants are, and it's something that is heat tolerant, drought tolerant, humidity tolerant. So it is something that is easy to care for in all of those different types of conditions. Now, I really like to use this one like with Veronica, another friend that I have or will introduce you to depending on the order that you're watching these videos in. I like this one to take color to the edges of the arrangement. I also think it is a really great substitution if you don't have Veronica, or if you have preferences, or this will grow a little bit better in your garden. It serves a very, very similar function in floral design work. It's also a rose companion plant, and I do love my garden roses. You can find the seed for this at Park Seed.